upload an insane run that you can show?
Upload my insane run. No. Zap.
Dude, were you recording that commando run?
I was. So, yeah.
Sounds
and
pretty insane.
It was pretty nuts, but like...
It was nuts, but was it insane is the question you have to ask
yourself.
It was
definitely like 3 times more nuts than stupid runs I saw. Maybe 3.5 times more nuts, dude.
Dude, I just got an equipment. A primordial cube. It's gonna be pretty good for us.
Yeah.
Oh, nice, dude. You got an energy drink?
Yeah,
you're gonna be the fast.
I had like 4 drinks and 5 go-dos when I was playing.
I want to get 50, just like that video.
Not worth.
And I will be the fast.
And you'll do no damage.
It doesn't matter. You will never be killed.
Multi and your utility that does damage, the like, you know, the thing where he runs into people.
Yeah.
If that's scaled on speed. Just get like.
Does it? Is it not?
I don't think it does. Maybe it does.
That is
I don't know.
the sad. Can you feel the sunshine? Does it brighten up your day? I'm just gonna start the boss.
Yeah, it's smart.
I can't believe that I've got no bustling fungus.
That's the one piece.
Yeah, dude.
Wait, ready? Is it?
Oh, a red whip! Yeah. Last chance to trade for a war banner.
There's no trading in... Wait, what are you playing?
We're playing Warframe?
Yeah, there's no trading in Warframe.
Shows how much you know.
Yeah, Warframe 2.
That's it. I know you guys.
Look, my turrets are shooting each other because they're on top of each other. They're completely useless.
Apache helicopter.
Dude, what the fuck is happening? What?
They're hitting each other.
What?
You can apparently block them with themselves. Dude, I'm gonna create the perfect trap. I'll lay down all of my mines, and then use the primordial cube. Yes.
It's convenient having that pain thing right next to the end. It's a free experience.
Yeah, dude, free.
It's very real.
You want cash now? Ooh,
I got another pack of mag.
Hello, bustling fungus. You will be mine. It begins. Goodbye, all of my items.
Oh shit.
Do I trade my 2 syringes?
I would go collect other stuff first, but I may not have a choice, so I don't know.
It's a good idea, but I at least have some... Oh, no, you didn't.
Gotta get a bunch of backup mags, and then you gotta give me the alien head. I'll just right click forever.
Dude, I got brain tentacles or something earlier today. Brain it like, when you kill an elite, you have 0 cooldowns for a couple seconds.
That sounds busted.
It was pretty bust. What the fuck? My turrets just don't attack things sometimes. There they go.
Oh, this is like the whole bank vault right here.
This is my bank vault, actually. I found it.
Lily.
Here,
Stole
take your
it.
backup mag, you fucking whore.
Oh, you
And
want
your
this
fuel cell, you fucking whore.
syringe.
I'll take the syringe. Ooh.
That's
I'm gonna get those shields, man.
yeah.
But my goal is to
Fungi.
get white items. I need more white.
Fungus for you.
Oh, no way.
Oh.
I'm so ready. Do you know how many bustling fungus I have?
I can look.
No, 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 no. You gotta guess.
5.
God damn it. He's so smart.
I didn't look. I'm too good.
Dude, I could trade 5 more things in for more bustling fungus, though. I think I should do it.
Yeah. Why not?
I lose 3 syringes is the only problem. It's like...
Yeah, maybe not worth it. Man, it's good to have healing, but
I'd like to get rid of my maraca, you know?
I appreciate that.
Ooh, I found my rusted key box. I think a good way to find them is to wait until you've started the boss and it'll give you the red outline on it. Also, were you here the other day? I ran into a camouflaged box. It was just invisible on the ground.
How did you find it? Like you waited till the end?
No, I just bumped into it and it had the text.
Fuck.
I had no fucking idea it was there.
It's real dumb.
Can my turrets please shoot something? Wake up, turrets! Jesus fucking Christ.
Alright, I got a 4 banner.
That's nice. Oh my god. 4 syringes.
I just activated this fan and it didn't turn on. Paid money to do it and it doesn't do it.
Get fucked, I guess.
It's really what I do.
Get fucked, idiot? I guess.
Thanks. But this one, does this one work? Oh, neither. Interesting.
Oh, I really want to use the fungus. Let's try another one. Oh, there goes a syringe. Damn it! Maybe one more. Yeah, goodbye, crowbar. Goodbye, goat hoof.
Just one more syringe, man. Just
Yeah, goodbye, Maraca. Get fucked.
Damn, dude. Sure you didn't want to trade all that for this gasoline 3D printer?
Pretty sure. Ready for boss things?
Oh! I didn't realize ukulele. Yeah, I am. I didn't realize the ukulele does 100% of your damage. Like whatever you did, it's just 100% AoE.
Really?
It
I feel
must
like
be
that's a
because
buff.
I just
don't
used.
think it used to do that.
I used my item, like the capacitor. It just like does a lightning bolt, and it did 1500, and it jumped to 3 other things, and then it did 1500 to all of them because of the ukuleles. Maybe it does like 50%, and then I've got 2 ukuleles.
Where is the boss thing?
It's up here, where I am.
Alright, let me set up shop over here.
Yeah, but it's about to be a fucking magma worm.
I'm ready.
Wait, don't you have infinite shields?
Yeah. Cool.
Oh shit. Do that. Oh wow, I'm actually taking damage.
I'm not exactly sure when I'm supposed to reshield yet. I haven't done the calculations. My turrets are shooting everything except the bosses.
Really?
Sure seems that way. Oh, there are multiple of them.
Yeah.
Maybe they were shooting the boss all along.
Nice.
Fuel cells.
Oh.
Take them. Take them. Let's leave this hellhole.
Hail. Oh. It's another rocket launcher. Seem like this imp is stuck. Oh, there.
Huh. Killed him.
Remember, if you find rocket launches, I found one of the ulti chests, legendary chest, 3,300.
fuel cell over here.
Baby. Coming in. Oh, another backup mag? Oh. Who's that?
Yeah, let me know when to drop my cube, too.
Oh yeah. Literally just use it when you have it in like a boss fight.
Yeah, that's what
Because I got 5 of these ricochet things, so I'm probably just always gonna have one out. What the fuck was that?
I pooped my pants.
Oh, was it a fart? Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
No, when Matt farts, it goes...
No, I swear. I even pulled my ass cheeks apart.
Oh, here's another one of the legendary chests. They're right next to each other. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Here, I'll buy it.
Dude, I got a fucking war banner.
Oh, another energy drink. I'll be the fastest, man.
I'm what some people refer to as elite.
I'll check the cave, see if... Oh, there's another one in here. So there's 3
Really?
on this yeah.
Wait, is there one in the little...
Yep.
Oh,
And there's
that,
2
that's
over
the
there.
cave you're talking
Yeah.
about. Alright, nice. Alright, well I guess we're staying here for a while. Because legendary chests are what you want, so... No reason to not. You know what I'm saying?
I do know what you're saying.
So, I have no idea what the fuck you're saying.
What I'm saying is... Just lightning bolt things across the map real quick. That is actually kind of what's happening. I hear them. Hold on, I'm gonna go kill those. Oh, I got it. One of them was a shock version. It's up top? Oh, I got them all. Set of home base right here. Going real fast, dude.
Fucking hearing Joe Rogan talk about the mountain's dick.
Oh.
Describing it as a seal and an anteater. Yeah, that's fucked up.
Oh, I got the box. A little. Was a Maraca. Wow. Combat shrine up here too that I did. I'm just gonna bounce off of it. god, the bells are here. Oh, I one-shot them with my lightning bolt thing. Yes.
We almost have enough for chests.
Oh, I do not one-shot that guy.
Hey, turret, come on.
We got enough. Got this one here. Knives. Should I take it?
Is that gonna be... It's probably good on you. Alright, I'm gonna go look for...
What the fuck is this thing right here? Yeah, what is this? What's that?
Where are you?
Yeah, I'm over here. What the fuck is that thing? Item?
Get her biting embrace.
Oh,
What is this? Become aspect of ice.
what? For how long?
I don't know what this... I don't know what this is.
Now your turrets are all frosty now. Maybe they do frost damage or something.
Ah, you're like timer donker.
I don't understand what this is doing.
You remember when that was his ultimate
It
journey?
seems passive. I remember when he had an ultimate, yes.
Jeremy, you should Oh wait, isn't the other legendary chest like right over here?
Oh yeah, where is that? I was going to go get that.
There's one right here.
It is... I forget what this one does. It's like the tentacle thing.
Oh, that's the for your healing thing. It does damage when you're like charges healing or whatever.
Oh yeah, that's great for me.
Yeah, man.
I am aspect of ice. I'm still not sure what that means.
I got another crate to go get. I'm gonna set up right by. It's right by the thing anyway.
The middle.
Yeah. Right here.
I'm set up.
If I have line of sight, I can kill those stupid artillery guys from all the way across the map.
I'm ready when you are.
I got 2175, so I'll just grab the crate in here.
Okay.
Just need some more evil guys to spawn. Oh! Dude, what the fuck? Did you see that? What is happening?
Those are the skulls from the I told you it's OP, dude!
Oh, sorry, babe. I'm just a big faggot. Hey, don't say I know. That's mean.
Oh, Carly, I said hi.
The turrets
Carly,
do it
Matt
too!
says hi. I thought, I thought you had to get damaged and then have it heal back.
No.
It just...
And because I have 10 bustling fungus, it's happening so much faster than last time.
It happens faster than the turrets can do anything, dude.
They don't even need to do anything now, they're just turrets of skulls.
What the fuck?
Are you waking your girlfriend up by
No,
being a
she's
retard?
behind me on the couch. She's not asleep. Are you white knighting through Discord right now?
Just looking out for Carlene. It's Carly!
It's Charlene, actually.
And,
This is doing quite a bit of damage. Alright, I think we have
another
enough
one.
for it.
Oh, it's the frost thing. Oh, alright. I don't really think that's good on
it's
anybody.
better on you.
I mean, I at least move around.
Right.
Alright, I'm doing it. Let's see what happens here. Oh god, it's Magmorph though. I don't... Can you out-heal the Magmorph?
Alright, we'll find out.
Will not be in there. Find him.
Oh!
Dude, he's... Oh my god, dude, he's getting fucked up! He's so... One's already dead, dude. Are you kidding? Hoppo feathers. We need more fungus.
Now is when I trade everything for the fungus.
Yeah, seriously. Literally everything you have.
what is so funny, you fuckwit?
Oh god, we're just... Sorry that my joy is causing you pain. That's why I'm recording it. This is... For my insane run.
this is my insane run.
The only things that can hit us are the, I'll go do a run on sweeping these things.
Alright, let
Not
me
that
know
it
when
matters.
they
Wait,
hit
you
the
can just go through the teleporter.
thing. Yeah. You like that?
I love that. I know that we're still gonna die eventually, but
This is a shitty place to be. I'm going back to the middle area. There are like 4 chests over there. Jesus. Alright, I'm just gonna like sit over here and get us gold.
oh my god, dude. Oh my god, it just ate them. It ate that vagrant in like half a second. Okay, I'll be over here getting all your money, thanks. I get another Hapu feather. Oh god, I'm gonna die. Oh!
There's an infusion over here. I really can't use it, so...
No, no, you should take it, because... Oh
I never
my...
get kills.
Oh.
Unless my skulls count.
I don't know. Is that a fungus right there? That's a fungus. Oh,
Another
ukulele.
uke. Did you get the infusion?
No. I think you should take it still. Because it
Alright.
will add a slight bit of damage to your ghost thing.
Oh, dude. Another fungus.
We got a teddy bear.
Oh, a teddy. Nice. Like, this is when I just start getting drones, also.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it looks like infusion does stack up when my skull gets the kill, so there's something at least.
Yeah, well, plus you're shooting a bunch of skulls too, because you're also healing. So
Yeah.
it might not even be stacking from your turrets, but it doesn't matter.
Or my turrets will just get more health, and that's not a bad thing, because they probably won't die that easily. Did you open all those chests over there yet?
Just finished opening them all.
Alright, you want me to hit this button?
Yeah. Just focus on mag more.
I can't see anything, but I get boosted up sometimes when they do the thing.
Oh, yeah, there's another one somewhere? Oh, he's over there. I didn't even know he was there.
Well, he's not anymore.
Oh, red whip.
Yeah, you go ahead and take those. I don't really run.
Oh, wait, there's something else here. I can't tell. Oh, the neural.
A neural.
That should have gone to you.
Oh, whatever. Oh yeah, I probably should have, because the healing.
Yeah.
I also have 2 healing drones. Alright, heal build.
Get the one over here. Over here. Oh,
Where?
healing drone.
I'm coming.
It's right here.
Oh, I should have set up in that, like, Shrine of the Forest thing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh wait, we don't have the zone yet. Oops. Heading back. Look, I'm still aspect of ice, whatever the fuck that means.
Could be helping.
Yeah, I'm assuming it's giving me some sort of defense. Dude, these skulls are just doing work.
When I had that item, I saw skulls like once every 10 seconds. I didn't see like that.
Alright, I'm going for the healing drone.
Oh, okay, yeah, you should pick it up. Then it'll focus you. Will it focus you? Follow you.
Got him.
Want me to hit go?
Yeah, that's fine. Just funnel healing onto me and damage onto you at this point.
I do a lot of damage, but I die really quickly.
Yeah, we need to give you some defensive shit, but not bustling fungus. I'm just gonna set up here for now.
Died. And I'm gonna go open some chests, so.
Okay.
Crowbar, I'll take. There's a fungus here for you.
Oh yeah? I'm on my way. Oh shit, I don't have enough money yet.
I can buy it if you want.
Nah, I'll have enough in a sec. There we go.
I did there's a bunch of these damage shrines, you might as well just camp on one and hit it a couple times. Another goat hoof. I'm just taking all the speed. That matters to you.
I'll like speed eventually, but for now I'm not really moving that much, except to like reposition, so it doesn't matter. Set up on this.
another one over here. This is another fungus. Oh my god, there's another fungus. Right.
Yeah, well, yeah. This could be the run.
Certainly feels like the run. Got the scouter, and I got the home
Dude,
base.
there's a backup mag here.
That's just what I need. Even though I almost don't need one. I think I pretty much got everything.
Alright, I'll hit the teleporter then. Oh, Beetle Queen's easy.
Oh my god, we almost died just now.
See that red boy?
Yeah, dude just walked in and stomped on us. Oh, here, take the...
That's the helper person, not the neural.
Oh, wait, I'll grab it. Got the...
Do my turrets proc the uke? Or does my skull proc the uke is the better question. Let's do science, I'll take this one.
Yeah.
It doesn't seem like it is. Oh, maybe. Although a turret may have just shot that enemy. I can't tell. I mean, there are just so many fucking skulls. I don't think it matters.
I did it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Do it once around the map again.
Alright. I'll sit here. I might want to get more items.
What's the backup?
The backup?
Yeah, there's an item called the backup.
Is it a teddy bear?
No, it's a radio. Gonna do it. Calls shown for backup lasts 25 seconds.
Oh yeah. That's really good with the fuel cells that you have. You can just call a fuck ton of drones. But like you just use it real fast.
Okay, let's see. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's pretty silly.
Is that even good?
I don't know.
We'll find out. What's the harm?
Alright, am I leaving?
No. There's another box over here. Oh, and I had a chrono bobble in it. There's a chance shrine here I'm gonna hit. Get a steam bomb from, apparently. Oh, they all died. Oh god,
yeah, they
it
only
sounds
last
horrible.
for like 30 seconds or something. There aren't even enemies spawning. Oh yeah, because we beat the thing. Like, I'm just sitting here.
I'm gonna switch for the royal capacitor. It's as good.
Yeah, the rogue capacitor is pretty fucking good.
I don't think enemies spawn once you finish.
No, they don't. You ready?
I just got another chest. Another ukulele.
Oh my god.
What is... Oh, it's the little lockbox thing. It's a slug.
That's my rusted key thing. Oh, I probably should have gotten the rusted or the cautious slug.
Yeah, you're probably right. Fuck.
It's fine. You could use some healing. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, leaving.
Look how fast I am, Jeremy.
Soon you'll be able to fly.
Kinda already do if I hit inclines, like...
Oh my god.
Go explore. Oh my god. Almost died.
A celestial orb appears? Oh yeah, it's the...
Oh, we got a magma worm coming. We would be very careful.
I have mental health.
Yeah, but... Oh wow, those, he just missed once and he died because of the skulls.
Alright, time to go look for some items.
Oh, another missile launcher. Huh? Maybe. I don't know. Like, I don't know how much is left in this room. Teddy bear. Got two.
I just got a second one. But I'll take another. Do we know where the teleporter is yet? Yeah, I see
Yeah,
it.
it's right in the middle.
I'll go set up by it.
There go both.
Shrine of Order.
Do it, baby.
No, that would probably fuck me. This is pretty good. I'm not 100% sure.
Oh!
Nice guess. You just die.
I made the mistake of going up where all the explosives are. And,
Ah, shit. Alright, well. I'm just gonna go to the next level then.
no, it's a magma worm. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's dying so fast.
Dude, I'm scared.
Oh no!
think I did it.
It's so funny that the skulls are a more effective turret than your turrets. Like, your turrets have turrets, and they're better at being turrets. Oh my god,
My
dude.
turrets have better range than the skulls, but other than that, yeah.
And this is, like, nice, because at least when your turrets derp out, it doesn't matter.
Right. Alright, now time to farm some more legendary chests.
Hell yeah. Oh, one's right here. 15k, I'm gonna set up on it.
Yeah, I'll set up
We'll,
right up here.
Go get the money chests. And check the... Yep, there's one in there. In the little room. Oh, there's a backup Mag 3D printer.
Oh shit, that thing killed my turret. Fucking magma worm.
Should
Boy.
put them at the very end of each one's radius.
Problem right now is that the stone golems keep bouncing me out.
Dead?
No, my turrets died in there though. I'll just set up over here instead, it's fine.
Oh no,
I died.
I'm dead. Oh my god. Out of nowhere, dude.
Yeah. I wonder if my skulls... They don't seem to count as damage. It said I only did 500,000 damage, but...
Yeah, it doesn't count. I know it doesn't count your turrets either. I know it's
Oh, that's a shame.
definitely broken. Alright, well.
The Imp Overlord just came and stomped me. Huh?
Said I gotta go.
Alright.
But that
And then
was
I was quoting him.
a good run. An
Yeah,
insane
that
run!
That was pretty insane.